Hi, welcome to my house. Today we're making Mexican rice. We have some carnitas going over here. That's in another video. We're gonna make some rice to go with it. So red rice, a staple. It's really flavorful. It goes well with a lot of Mexican dishes. We're going to start the salsa. So we're going to put half an onion. So this is for 8 people. So you can shrink it down if you have a smaller house or household. So 1 onion, small onion or half a big one, then 3 Roma tomatoes. They're not really red, they could be better. This is the middle of winter, I mean just the spring right now, so. We're going to put 3 cloves of garlic. And then we have a little bit of salt, so about 2 big pinches of salt. And then a tablespoon of powdered bouillon. So if you have stock at home, that's great. Right now I don't have any, so we're gonna use a little bit of bouillon. And then we need some water. So we're gonna put enough water to get enough liquid for our rice. So the ratio for rice is 2:1 for long grain rice. So here I have 2 cups. You want to keep 1 cup for 4 people. So 8 people, 2 cups. And I need a ratio to 2:1, so I'm going to need enough liquid to get to that 4 cups mark over here. So I'm going to let it go a little bit with just a little bit of water, and then we'll add as we need to fill that mark. Okay, so make some noise. So we need a little bit more. So nice and smooth, our salsa is nice and smooth. You're gonna get that traditional pink color. We're going to toast our rice, we're going to pearl our rice. So I preheated my rice cooker. Now you can do it in a pot, that's fine too. We're going to use a little bit of butter, a tablespoon per cup of rice. So here I have 2 tablespoons of butter. Can you see in there? Thank you. Now melt this, let me bring this up. Once your butter is nice and melted, we're going to toast our rice, pearl our rice. So it's going to change color a little bit. You see how it's opaque? It's going to become a little bit translucent. That's the pilaf method. We use it for a lot of different things. And it makes your rice nice and fluffy. So some people like medium grain rice for Mexican rice, so it's a little bit more sticky. I like it a little bit fluffier, so I use long grain. It's up to you. The medium grain rice will be a little bit more stickier. Alright, you see how it's changing color? It's getting coated with a little bit of that fat. You can toast it until it starts popping, or just a couple of minutes, and that's plenty enough for what we're doing here. I love rice cooker. It's a cheap appliance that's reliable. It helps you to free your hands to do something else while your rice is going. It's pretty reliable too. So we're gonna add our salsa and the extra water that's in there. Give it a quick stir and that's it. Cover it up. Let it be until it's ready. You can do it on the stove, bring it to a boil, and then cook it on low for 17 minutes once it starts boiling. Okay, we'll see you later.